Hello and welcome to this new AUTOMY video tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create, modify, and delete extra user fields. This functionality is ideal for customizing the information you need to manage in your company, such as adding address data or identity document details. Let's go straight to the step-by-step. First, we log into AUTOMY and go to the main menu. Here we click on Settings. Within Settings, we look for the User Management section and select Extra User Fields. Here we'll see a list of all the extra fields previously created. Now, let's create a new extra field. We click on the Add button located at the top right. A form will open where we will configure the new field. In the Order field, we define the position where this field will appear in the form. For example, we'll place it in position 1. In Display Name, we enter the name that will identify this field, such as Identity Document. In Field Type, we select the type of data we want. For this example, we choose Text. We activate or leave deactivated the required switch, depending on whether we want this field to be mandatory or not when filling out the form. When we have completed everything, we click on Add. And that's it. Our extra field has been created. What if we need to make changes to an existing field? It's easy. We find a field we want to modify and click on the Edit icon. For example, we're going to change the name from Identity Document to DNI. We edit it, verify that everything is correct, and then click on Edit to save the changes. If we want to delete an extra field, all we have to do is find a field in the list and click on the Delete icon. It will ask us to confirm if we're sure. We accept, and the field will be deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to create, modify, and delete extra user fields in AUTOMY. Remember that this tool allows you to customize the information according to your company's needs. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to help. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next video.